We were able to remove the fascia after we pulled this part of the fascia off. The piece that's here, right in here, was attached with screws going into the wood. We were able to pull that off, removing those screws. Once we did that, we were able to access, I pulled this piece of trim back here, and then we were able to pull this piece of trim down. That you can see your motor sitting there, access to the motor if you needed to access the motor. We pulled this piece of trim down, and then we were able to, we did have to remove, this piece sits here along the edge here. And then we were able to get in here. We actually used a zip tie to fish the gib back in. Once we fished the gib back in, we were able to rivet that gib back into place. So we are all set. Now it's just time to put everything back together. With the fascia off, you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws go down the piece that hold this piece on. And that's the piece that the slide stops up against. So we are now getting ready to put the fascia back on. Well, we put it all back together and we did a test. Ran the slide in, ran the slide out. Works like a champ. So hopefully we are good to go on this one. Another quick project. Fixed it and we're done with that part of the slide repair.